Reverse cowgirl meaning similar to conventional cowgirl position intercourse, with the exception that the person on top is facing the other way, allowing their partner to view their buttocks instead of their frontal horns. Rainbow kiss meaning this act is normally performed by a penis-possessing individual and a vulva-possessing individual, although there are several variants. When a person with a vulva gets oral sex during their period and a person with a penis receives conventional oral sex, this is referred to as a rainbow kiss. Following an orgasmic exchange between the two partners, the rainbow kiss is performed, in which you put period blood and sperm into your respective lips and mix them together while kissing. Rough sex meaning while people's own definitions of a rough might differ, this phrase often refers to sex that combines specific kinds of BDSM play or aggressive play as well as filthy banter and dirty jokes. Rimming meaning this is a kind of oral sex in which one person places their mouth on the anus portion of the other partner's body. Rusty trombone meaning when someone does both a rim job and a hand job at the same time, this is known as a double rim job.